Google just dropped something inside Gemini that isn't getting nearly enough attention. You can now build fully autonomous AI agents right inside Google AI Studio for free. No credit card, no monthly plan, just a browser, an API key, and access to the kind of automated workflow most platforms lock behind a subscription fee. By the end of this video, I'll show you one move inside AI Studio that most people never find. It lets you stack a single agent build across multiple clients without ever starting over. That part's at the end, so stay with me. I'm Paul James. If you want to watch someone who actually builds with these tools instead of just talking about them, you are in the right place. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the pattern I keep seeing. Someone finds a tool like this, gets excited, and immediately goes looking for a platform to tie it all together. And the one that keeps surfacing in every agency course, every beginner playbook, is Go High Level. $297 a month before you've sent your first invoice. And honestly, the tools that get recommended the loudest in this space tend to carry the biggest commissions for the people recommending them. Just worth knowing before you hand over your card. I know what it actually feels like to carry that overhead before the money's there. I was working out of my brother's garage. No budget, no clients, no runway. A $300 software bill before the first invoice arrived wasn't an option for me. That pressure is real, and it's exactly why what Google just released inside AI Studio matters so much for someone building from nothing. It removes the floor entirely. Go High Level has a conversation AI module, chatbots, agent workflows, the whole suite. That's a genuine part of what justifies the price tag. Google AI Studio now builds that same category of autonomous agent on completely free infrastructure. I'm calling this the Gemini Agent Grid. It's a system where you deploy Google AI Studio agents, each grounded on real client data, each handling a different service. No monthly cost, no platform overhead, a modular automation stack built entirely on free tools, and the kind of zero-cost agency setup I genuinely wish had existed when I was getting started. Here's how the build actually works. Head to Google AI Studio. A quick search gets you there, and you'll now find a section called Agents. This is brand new with this update. Each agent runs inside its own isolated Linux environment that Google hosts entirely on their end. And what matters practically, actually, let me back up for a second. Don't picture this like a form-based chatbot. Think of it as a dedicated worker, its own file system, its own memory log. It only knows what you train it on. You pick an agent type, customer support, document processor, data analyst. Templates are there to orient you. Then you add sources, a URL, a PDF, a business FAQ, whatever the company actually runs on. You link a free API key and the agent initializes. It crawls every source, indexes it, builds a memory log. From that point, it handles first touch inquiries, qualifies leads, and routes contacts on its own. What you can build inside these environments is broader than it first looks. Document processors that extract structured data automatically. Data analysts running against any CSV you upload. Customer agents that don't just answer questions, they act on defined workflows. You can also compare how different Gemini model versions respond to the same prompt before committing to a client deployment. And none of this requires a single line of code. Here's something most people scroll right past. Once you've built and configured an environment for one client, the next agent doesn't start from scratch. You click Existing Environment, enter the environment ID, and your new agent inherits everything. Indexed documents, memory log, full infrastructure, stacking, not rebuilding. Here's what that actually means for someone running an AI chatbot service right now. Picture a local property management company. 20 units, one owner, calls coming in at all hours, maintenance requests, lease questions, callbacks piling up every evening. You spend one session inside Gemini AI Studio. You load their lease terms, maintenance intake process, and FAQ. The agent knows what to handle, what to escalate, and when to collect a callback number instead of guessing. That's a complete AI chatbot deliverable built on free tools. Go High Level's conversation AI covers similar ground, but it lives behind the monthly plan. Your version costs nothing to run. That's the leverage the Gemini Agent Grid creates. Now, most people who get this far try to push it live to a client immediately. That's exactly where it falls apart. There's one configuration step that separates an agent holding up under real traffic from one that breaks on the first edge case. Paid platforms handle this automatically. I'll show you the free version of that fix shortly. 30 seconds, and it's what makes this actually client ready. That was the core build. Here's where this starts making real money. The first service to take this to is AI chatbots for local businesses. The Gemini Agent Grid makes this accessible for someone starting today with zero prior experience. Any local business fielding inbound questions is a fit. A chiropractor, a roofing company, a residential cleaning service. You build a Gemini AI Studio agent grounded on their service pages, booking flow, and FAQ. It handles the first touch. answering questions, capturing leads, routing contacts. Setup fee between $300 and $500. Monthly retainer for monitoring and updates. Your infrastructure costs nothing to run. Here's what the numbers actually look like. A landscaping company loses 4 calls a week to voicemail. Over a month, that's 16 potential leads gone. You build the agent, charge $400 for the setup, and the build takes 2 hours, $200 an hour on free tools. The retainer sells itself the first time the owner sees a Saturday inquiry captured while he's off the clock. That's a concrete outcome you can show before you ever ask for the contract. The second angle is custom knowledge bases, and honestly, this one's underserved right now. A trade company bringing on new crews every few months, a franchise with multiple locations. These businesses are sitting on processes nobody has time to teach properly. You build a Gemini AI Studio agent grounded on their internal training materials. New staff ask the agent answers. No more 3-hour onboarding conversations the owner has to repeat. $500 setup fee, quarterly refresh retainer, ongoing relationship. Someone who had no idea Google AI Studio existed last week can offer this service this week. That's how low the barrier actually is. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Most people stop right there. Here's what changes when you go one step further. Here's what this looks like from a standing start. No technical background, no existing clients. You find a local HVAC company through a quick Google search, someone fielding every call manually while he's on the job. You go into Google AI Studio, build a Gemini agent, and load their service page, seasonal packages, and a short FAQ. The agent knows the business. It handles after-hours questions. It knows when to take a name and number instead of guessing at an answer. You show up to that first meeting with a live demo on a laptop, not a pitch deck. The owner asks the agent something. It answers correctly. That's the close. That's the setup fee conversation. And here's that configuration fix. The thing I said keeps it from breaking. Inside the AI Studio system prompt, add a fallback instruction. When the agent can't answer with confidence, it says so clearly and collects a contact name and callback number instead of fabricating a response. 1 line, 30 seconds to add. Most operators never do it. That instruction is the difference between a deployment that holds up with real clients and one that creates problems in week 2. All right, I told you at the start, there was one move inside AI Studio most people never find. Here it is. After you've built your first agent environment, for a client or just for practice, you don't rebuild from scratch for the next one. Inside Google AI Studio, you click existing environment, enter the ID from the first build, and your new agent inherits everything. Index documents, memory log, full infrastructure, carried over instantly. You're not starting over, you're stacking. And here's why that matters more than it sounds. The real-time cost in this work isn't the build itself. It's solving the same setup problems again for every new project. This eliminates that. One foundational environment, multiple agents, multiple clients, built on a single afternoon of work. Think about what your next 30 days look like with this running. An AI chatbot deliverable ready for any local service business you walk into. A custom knowledge base offering for any company with a training problem. Operating cost on both, 0. The subscription tax other operators are carrying isn't your overhead anymore. You're building on Google's infrastructure, not servicing someone else's pricing model. Get after it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.